In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn group. Creating a LinkedIn group can be a great way to connect like-minded professionals, facilitate discussions in your industry, or even create a community around a specific interest or theme. Now let's get started on building your first LinkedIn group. First things first, you need to head over to LinkedIn's website and sign in to your account using your credentials. Once you successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar on your homepage. You'll see an option that says Groups. Give that a click to enter the Groups section. From here, you'll have an option to create your group. It's typically found at the top of this section. Clicking Create Group will start the process. Now it's time to get creative and informative. You'll need to enter a name for your group. Make it catchy, yet descriptive enough to attract the right members. After naming your group, there's an area to type a detailed description. This is where you'll explain the focus or purpose of your group. This step is crucial because a clear description will guide potential members in understanding what they can expect from this virtual community. Next, you'll be prompted to select an industry that best represents your group's focus. This choice helps in categorizing the group for better discoverability. Don't forget to add a location for your group. This can be particularly helpful if your group is region specific or you plan on organizing in-person meetups or events. LinkedIn also gives you the chance to set rules for your group. Consider what community guidelines will be important for maintaining a positive environment. Once you have your rules set, it's time to choose the group type. You have two options here: a public group that anyone can see, or a private one that requires a request to join. Your choice will depend on how exclusive you want your group to be. Another important decision is on discoverability. You can opt for your group to be listed or unlisted. A listed group can be found through search, whereas an unlisted group adds an extra layer of privacy. Added to this, you can check and adjust permissions, such as allowing or denying members the ability to invite others. To further control the content within your group, you can enable the setting that requires new posts to be reviewed by admins before they're visible to all group members. This step ensures that the content shared aligns with the group's rules and focus. Once all of these settings are confirmed to your liking, you're ready to make your group live. Simply click on Create and your LinkedIn group will be set up and ready to welcome new members. Congratulations, you've just created your LinkedIn group. Now you can start inviting members and fostering a community built around shared interests and professional growth. Welcoming the right members and sharing insightful content will be key to your group's success. Thanks for watching and happy networking!